We are having Roma pods today. Roma's really yummy. It's very smooth. Smooth Nespresso pod. Ah, Zaki. It's not as sharp as, so these are my pods. My sister-in-law gave me this new Nespresso View container. How cute. You keep it on the side. So normally I drink, like, these are Oprezio, which is like their most famous purple, and then green is Capriccio. I normally drink those, and Roma and Ristretto, which is black. Will drinks Kazar, which is the strongest, but it's got like a bite to it, whereas Roma's really smooth. Coming. Oh no, what happened to you? Let me get my baby. Yeah, so what was I saying? So Roma, yes, much more smooth, and I'm having it in a takeaway cup this morning. Delish. I can't believe how many of you guys have said, oh my gosh, we're getting an espresso machine because of you. Listen, coffee culture is like expensive, okay? And if you drink as much coffee as Will and I do, having it at home, like a Keurig or, you know, an espresso is just life. Oh no, not again. My little frog has the hiccups. If you can hear that. So we are on the way to upload at the shop, but also see my mum and my uncle Jeffy's still in town. Will took Mussy this morning to see them because he had soccer. Mussy does soccer. Oh, he's got the hiccups. I hate when he hiccups. Hiccups and vomiting and choking are my three things that that's the really time I panic as a mum. I hate when they vomit. Like, I just hate it. Lucky he's not a chucky baby. He's vomited, I think, once, really big vomit all up, which has been really good. So that's what we're doing now. And you're coming with, of course. Look who's back from soccer! Hi! Hi, soccer!
Mine! It's my camera!
That's not your camera. How is soccer?
I don't mean.
I don't have it. I don't
It's in the pocket.
I don't have it in the pocket.
No, it's in the pocket.
It's not in the pocket. It's not.
A balloon.
A what?
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
How was soccer?
Soccer was great.
Was it actually?
Yeah.
Oh, a balloon. That's what you're saying. That's what you said, broom. How was soccer? What colour is the balloon? It's blue, correct.
It's pink.
Where's pink? Where's pink? You want a drink?
Pink.
Oh, pink balloon. Oh, for girl. It's blue for boy. Is Zaki crying?
No, this one.
This one? Say no crying, Zaki. Bayoon. Do you want to tell everybody how you feel about your new baby? Oh. Oh. Look who's here. He just started grizzling then. How was soccer? Good? Was it good?
Mouthful of grapes nut. The 9 months difference was extraordinary.
Really?
Oh my God, yeah. He did everything.
He went back to soccer, guys, because I started him.
Gusto.
Oh, really? I started him a little bit too early. At almost 2. Oh, Uncle Jeffy's here. Hi, on the vlog.
Hello, little fox.
I started him a little. Yeah, of course. You can take big fots and little fots for a walk. Uncle calls my kids fots, which means fart. Bring a balloon. Go on, go for a little walk with Nana.
If I did fall asleep.
You want a coffee?
Just had one.
Oh, okay. It really did just get super humid all of a sudden. I gotta do the dishes. Please excuse my hair. I get to dye my hair, woohoo! I get to dye my roots and dye this hair because it's gone a little bit red tingy and it's not my favorite thing in the world. But it's just gotten so long. I got a lot of comments saying it's so long. And it's so weird. It's like I delivered my baby and suddenly it just grew in like 6 weeks. It's grown so long. So Zachy will be 6 weeks this Monday. So a lot of people have asked about him and saying such lovely comments, seeing him in vlogs, which is so nice. His name is Zachy. Z-A-K-I. That is it, Zachy. Everybody asks what the full name is, that is it. We're funny with names. Again, it's another like Farsi name. My husband's Persian, if you don't know, so that's like where Masi is Farsi as well. So they're both, I guess, unusual. But he's sleeping. Masi's building Thomas the Tank Engine trucks. Yeah, help you with Thomas? Did you build it? I built this little Thomas the Tank. Help Thomas? Okay. Come and see Lucy. Lucy's here. You haven't seen Lucy for so long. Hello, quick, open the door for Lucy. Mercy. This is Lucy. You guys may remember from other vlogs. This is Mussie's come inside, we're bossy. Hi, babe. Look at you in your whole uniform. Oh. So Lucy used to be Mussie's nanny. I forgot to tell you I was vlogging.
That's right. Hi.
First nanny. And then she decided to become a nurse. A little bit more important. Yeah, Lucy, we're very bossy, Lucy. Whoa, look what we just built.
Where's your cars? Can I put Thomas on here?
Yeah.
Ooh.
And this one.
Put someone to bed. Good morning. Good morning. It is morning now. I had a bit of a rough afternoon and night. My neighbour. I had a rough afternoon and night with Zachy. He's just got a lot of wind. I just think there's too much air in his bottle. I did get asked about bottle feeding and why I'm bottle feeding. I'm not breastfeeding this baby. I stopped with Mussy, and it's a shame, I guess, because I know a lot of women want to breastfeed and don't get milk, and that's really sad. And I was one of those sorry, I'm trying to work out my tripod. I was one of those super lucky women that just got like a ridiculous amount of milk, and good milk, like nutritious milk. And Mussy really benefited from that. However, I didn't. I got super sick, not with mastitis. I didn't get sick at all or anything with my breastfeeding with Mussy. I got super withdrawal when I was weaning him off. I got the worst withdrawals. I was so sick and in so much pain, and it was just a mess. Like, I couldn't take care of the baby. Do you know what I mean? So it was such a like bittersweet situation, and in the end it was a loss because I couldn't take care of Mussy properly. And this time around when I got pregnant, I just said no, I'm not breastfeeding at all. So this time has just been really simple and quite nice, really nice, because everyone else can share the feeds. So Will does heaps of feeds, like he just did last night because I was dead from the day. However, the downside is there's a lot of air in the bottle. So there's a lot of bubbles in the milk when you shake it. So yeah, I bought a formula maker. That's a whole nother story, a baby Brezza. It's amazing. Yeah, so that's a bit of baby talk for you. And it's a really pretty day today. It's not very clear. It's a little bit smoggy. There's a lot of haze. I think there's a bit of humidity. But we are going now. I think my uncle is leaving tomorrow, maybe, and we are going now to meet Mum and my uncle and Mussy because he stayed with them last night. He said, I want to stay with Jeffy, so he stayed with them, which is so gorgeous. We're going to meet them for breakfast just down by the water near her house, so we're going to get a move on because we're going to drive there. But Zachy is currently on the couch just chilling. Let's look at him. Sleepyheads are really good. Obviously Docker Tots are really good as well. When I know that I'm going somewhere for a long period of time, I took this Mussy, but I've got to also show you guys my upper baby. I know this is all mummy stuff, but my upper baby stroller is so cool, and I'm so utilizing it this time around, which I'm so happy. Like, I'm utilizing the bassinet. We are at the restaurant down by the water. I've actually vlogged here before. This is the Pittwater Marina, up near my mum's condo. It's so beautiful. And this is the Key Cafe. And we're just in here. We're just in here. Hi, fam. Wave to the vlog. Mushies. Cheers. How's your trip been, Uncle Jeff?
Trip's been fine, thank you. Yeah, the weather's been great.
How about you tell the vlog about your trip? Ever since Mussy was 4 months old, every 4 months.
Close to it, yeah, every 4 months or thereabouts.
Yeah.
From about 3 months old.
Yeah, every 4 months.
Yeah.
Since
4 months.
3 or 4 months old. He comes up from Melbourne, a very dedicated uncle.
We've ordered.
We've ordered, yes. Thank you.
you.
Very dedicated uncle. Do you love Uncle Jeffy?
No.
Sit. Mussy.
No.
There's nothing in there.
Oh, is it?
There's like 2 in there.
I was doing 4. Yeah, dummy time for you.
Okay, maybe it's not 2. Mussy. Did you do that? Are you going to count them now? Count them? How many are in there? You have to put them back. Marshmallow and baby Chino? No, no. Here you go. Ready? Yummy. Right, our food is here. Let's don't forget. We've got the poached eggs. Poached eggs with some roast tomatoes and bacon. Gil's got egg frites. Egg frites.
Did you thank the man?
Marcy and Mummy got pancakes. Did you thank the man? Did you say thank you? You're welcome. We got berry pancakes. Good boy. Yum. Alright, let's have this. Hermie. Look at this. This is so pretty. So Nana and Mussy have decided to walk out on the sand flats down here in Pittwater. So we just had breakfast over there at that marina. You can see the flags. Mussy and Mussy and Nana waving. Wow, another shell. He's collecting shells. Daddy's just shown up. Helping me with baby Zaki. Getting some yummy fresh air. Okay guys, we have just got back in the car. The boys have both fallen asleep. One and the other one. Oh. We are heading home now, meaning me and the boys are heading home now, and Mum and my Uncle Jeffy are going to have some lunch with a friend. So that's that. I'm going to end this vlog here, and actually I'm going to start another vlog probably tomorrow with unboxing my PO box. Gonna hold me to it, guys, because I need to get through those items. There has been, you know, lots of different packages sent to me. I know SUBBIE mail. Hi Mindy. I think Mindy sent me something. I really want to open it. Hi Sandy. Sandy sent me something. Timeless Vogue from Instagram is Sandy. She's super famous Instagram shop for luxury, consignment luxury, and has the best stuff. Oh my god, I'll link it below. And so you gotta hold me to it, but I'm sorry, I just need to move in the parking lot. That is what we're gonna do tomorrow. We're gonna unbox my PO box. So I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye. Peace.
I've always dreamt of